Welcome to Printify on YouTube, and thanks for joining the challenge to unlock financial freedom, discover time freedom, and be your own boss. And of course, get a chance to win $150 in-store credit. If you haven't seen it already, we recently challenged Mr. Reis to do the same, using only AI. See how he did over on his channel. The link is in the description below. So, how can you win? All you have to do is sign up to Printify, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and enter here for a chance to win $150 in-store credit. Yep, that's it. 3 lucky winners will be chosen. If you're new here, say hi to us in the comments, and if you want to learn everything there is to know about print on demand and how Printify can be a game changer for you, then sign up today and definitely subscribe to our channel.